Breaking news coming. External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar held a telephonic conversation with Chinese Foreign Minister yesterday. Both the parties agreed to establish a communication hotline to exchange opinions in a timely manner. Foreign Minister Wang Yi also noted that Indian side had proposed three mutuals: mutual respect, mutual sensitivity and mutual interest as the approach to the relationship. He has also agreed on the importance of taking the long view of our ties. China has said that the recent disengagement of frontline Chinese and Indian forces in the Pangong Lake area has clearly eased the situation. So that is India's pitch coming in for mutual respect, for mutual sensitivity and mutual interest right there. Both the foreign affairs ministers have spoken. Geeta Mohan, our foreign affairs editor, is breaking this story first on India Today, joins us for the very latest. Geeta, I'm throwing straight across to you. The External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar and the External Affairs Minister of China had a telephonic conversation. If you could encapsulate all what that was spoken and the key takeaways.
Important conversation coming after the disengagement. The few very important takeaways, like you said, Chaiti, are that after the disengagement, External Affairs Minister emphasized that now there is a need to start a conversation on de-escalation at the other friction points along the border. The Foreign Minister of China also emphasized on saying that the two countries should not be looking at each other through crooked suspicion, but look at each other as countries that need to work together. The two sides have decided to establish a hotline. That's the big news coming in, to continue and remain in touch and have communication which is constant and ensure that no untoward incident really takes place at the border. So that's one big development and outcome of the foreign minister's conversation that took place yesterday. The Indian Prime Minister emphasized on the three mutuals, which was noted by the Chinese Foreign Ministry. But China, like always, Chaiti has said, alluding to India and New Delhi siding with the West, saying that do not fall for the gimmicks of the West, but look at how India and China have to move forward. Border issues are just one part of the entire ambit of affairs between the two countries, and the two countries can do a lot in moving forward, working together and building the economies of the two countries. So China over here also understanding the need. The External Affairs Minister also pointed out that a prolonged tension between India and China does not bode well for either country, and therefore there was a need to disengage, which is what has taken place. So significant statements coming in from both sides, but the Indian statement was quite significant in saying that the three mutuals were noted by the Chinese Foreign Ministry, and now the two sides have decided to establish a communication hotline.
All right, that's fantastic news coming in right there. Geeta Mohan breaking the story first on India Today. Now the United States has welcomed...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.